If you're like me, you want to make the holidays as healthy as you can for your family. So how would you like to know how to make a raw vegan stuffing? It's delicious. So let's get started. Welcome to my kitchen. Hi, I'm Joann Loy, and I am a certified raw vegan chef, and I've been uncooking since 2010. Are you excited about learning to make a raw vegan stuffing that's healthy for your family and also delicious? If you are, hit the like button now, and let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2 portobello mushroom caps that you wipe off with a damp cloth. Mushrooms are like sponges, and they will absorb liquids. So you don't want to have it absorb excess water. You want it to absorb the marinade that you're going to soak it in. You can remove the inside stem as well. Add your olive oil, your tamari, and cider vinegar. You want to close up the Ziploc bag and get all the air out of it, seal it tightly, and move it around to just incorporate the juices and the marinade into the mushrooms. And then just let it sit in the fridge for several hours. Then you got your walnuts, your spice mixture, your olive oil, shredded carrots, mushrooms, and chopped celery. And the nuts have been soaked. Now I'm going to add the nuts to the food processor along with the spice mixture that consists of chopped parsley, rosemary, thyme, sea salt, and sage. And then we're going to process this until it comes together well. And at this point, you can stop it at the consistency you want it to be. Some people like it chunkier than others. This mixture is actually finer. And we're going to add the wet ingredients, including the olive oil, and let that pulse and start coming together. It's beginning to take shape, take form. Now we're going to scrape it into a bowl. Now, do you call it stuffing or dressing? Comment below. And again, if you want your dressing a little more chunky, just simply process for a shorter period of time. Add your carrots, your celery, and stir that up well. Get it good and mixed together. add your chopped mushrooms and continue to stir that in well. And at this point, if the dressing is a little drier than you want, you can simply add some of the extra marinade that you marinated your mushrooms in. But if you like it drier, you can leave it as is.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. And don't forget to download our Thanksgiving recipes in the description below. Remember, we're here to get you to your best health yet. Happy Thanksgiving!